We make in vitro diagnostics products that are used in patient health results. Sekisui chose Prince Edward Island for this investment for the cost competitiveness of our workforce, our strategic placement to be able to ship by land or air into our North American market, or air or sea into our European market. Canada as a whole has a diverse talent pool, especially Prince Edward Island. We have a large bioscience sector here.
Since Sekisui has come into the province back in 2011, they've expanded their workforce, but they've also expanded their production, their capabilities, and their expertise. So that's benefited the province in numerous ways. They provide product to some of the largest pharma companies in the world.
I'm the manager of the production department, and I've been with the company for approximately 43 years. Jeanette and I are actually sisters. We both grew up on PEI, and we've been very lucky to stay on PEI and work in such a great company.
We take great pride in the fact that Sekisui saw the potential in the PEI site when they took over to make us the main manufacturing site in North America. We're a continuously growing company. People from all over the world that work here at the site, and they have chosen PEI to make their home here.
And I moved to a new country with a new dreams over here. It's been more than 2 years, and definitely I want to see my career build up here. I don't want to leave this place, I don't want to leave this island. Definitely I'm really happy to work with Sekisui, and I'm really happy here in PEI.
It's also the people. I enjoy working with people that are passionate about their work, and they step up all the time to make sure that we deliver, and we're customer focused, and I really enjoy working with people like that. I have one right here.
Same here.
Since taking over in 2011, we're on our 5th expansion. We've placed over $18 million worth of capital into the site, showing that the company is committed to the Canadian economy and Prince Edward Island economy. We've increased our workforce by 33%. We've increased our square footage by 38%. We've also increased our revenue by 42%.
Sekisui is a wonderful example of an entity that is homegrown. The technologies were homegrown, recognized on a global scale with Sekisui making their investment here. And it continues to attract work from an international level.